Hey guys, we received this Cali's Collection 50-inch drain snake hair clog remover. We got it for test and try. So let's open the box and see. So it's a pack of three, and this is a extra long sink snake for the anti-break metal. So as you can see, this is a long 50 inches drain clogger. The handle on the top. So it's a good quality one with the metal non-sticking this rod, and then with the hair spin so that the hairs and cloth can stick to it and we can just take it out. So this is a cleaner tool and can be used with the bathtub, bathroom sink to unclog that one. So as you can see, this is a the long wire, and simply you have to just put it inside the sink so it can go in the clog. Just rotate it and the things will just come up. So this one is a heavy duty and good to clean with the long edges. So it's easy to pass through, easy to take out and clean up.